Boss, okay lang ba i-normalize yung GF na madaming ka-chat na guy pero sabi niya kaibigan niya lang daw? Pero I'm not comfy sa ganun eh. Well, unang-una, ang tanong ko sa'yo, nung nakilala mo ba yung GF mo, ganyan na ba talaga siya? Kung ganyan na siya before na maging kayo, then it's not your job to change her, bro. Tinanggap mo siya na ganyan siya. So then live with it. If this trait of hers bothers you that much, then hindi mo na dapat siya ginawang GF in the first place. Mga sigarilyo, you have to understand na it's not our job to change our partners. Marami kasi dyan ang sinasabi at ang ginagawa
Ay, okay lang masking party girl siya. Liligawan ko pa din. Tapos pag maging kami na, babaguhin ko na lang siya.
guys, it doesn't work that way. And also, I want to point out na meron talaga mga babae na they prefer male friends over women. Kasi sabi nila, it's less drama daw. You shouldn't be butthurt over this, dude. Kasi if this bothers you and you start questioning her loyalty and integrity, kahit wala namang ginagawang masama yung GF mo, she will see that as a sign of weakness and insecurity in your part. And when a woman senses that, their attraction drops. Mga sigarilyo, we have to understand that beautiful women are always surrounded by horny guys. Ngayon, nasa babae na lang yan if she chooses to cheat on you or not. At the end of the day, if she wants to cheat on you, she will. Kung wala ka namang evidence na she's being sweet or basically entertaining other people's courtships, then you should not be bothered by it. Alam mo, real talk lang, part of the problem here is you, sigarilyo. You're being insecure. You're coming from a place of I'm not good enough for her. Kasi think about it, if you believe that you're a catch and you're the best thing that she has ever encountered, why should you be worried about her chatting with other guys? Under the context na she is not sweet to them, ha? And if in case in the future, if she fucks up and sleeps with another dude, then it's her loss. You should feel sorry for her instead because she wasted a great opportunity to be with you. Ganun dapat yung mindset natin, sigarilyo. Ngayon, on the other hand though, kapag sweet nga siya sa kanila or bringing some of those dudes into your conversation and glorifying them, then ibang usapan na yan, sigarilyo. Kung ganyan siya, and then mag-isip-isip ka na kasi the last thing we want to happen is for you to sleep with one eye open. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo, and if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below.
Peace.